Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I recently purchased some more Nicole Diary stamping plates from AliExpress, a mix of large and small plates, and I'm going to be breaking this down into a few videos. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Nicole Diary stamping plate L18. As always, you can find information on where I purchased from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification on, and please like this video. These things really do help out my channel, thank you. So I have my usual stamper and scraper along with 6 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto. For the first swatch I'll be using a white coloured nail tip along with a bright neon pink stamping polish. With this image, once I've picked it up, I will then come in with my lint roller and remove any excess before stamping down. I don't have an image like this in my collection, not sure how I would use it in a mani, but it is a really nice design. For the next swatch I'll be using a light green coloured nail tip along with a dark green stamping polish. These images are slightly bigger than the normal Nicole Diary images are, so I'm laying down my usual 2 lines just so that I know I'm going to reach the bottom without flooding and using excess polish. With this image I see moons, but I also see circles. Very unusual design. For the next swatch I'll be using a bright yellow coloured nail tip along with a burgundy stamping polish. This is a very grungy design, but one I love. If you do miss a bit of the stamping in a design like this, it really doesn't matter, as it won't look out of place. Designs like this can be very forgiving. But I really like the stamping design along with the colour combo of this swatch. For the next swatch I'll be using a light blue coloured nail tip along with a metallic blue stamping polish. Now this is a beautiful design. With the photo swatch of it though, I don't know why, but it's come out blurry. Yet you'll see in the film that it's anything but blurry and all the others are absolutely fine. I don't have any designs like this, so it'll be interesting design to use. I did almost use it for my mani. For the next swatch I'll be using a black coloured nail tip along with a molten silver stamping polish. Now with this image there is one next to it. Now I'm not 100% sure if they're meant to be layered together or not, but I haven't done that for this video. However, this design on its own looks really nice. I know that black isn't for everyone, but I love a good black and silver nail. For the next swatch I'll be using a lilac coloured nail tip along with a dark purple stamping polish. For me, this whole swatch, I want a mani of it all. With purple being my favourite colour, then this design is absolutely stunning. It's just a brilliant colour combo and design. You could also use this image over a multicoloured background as well, and it would look amazing. I absolutely adore this swatch though. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and mani that I've created from Nicole Diary stamping plate L18. Nicole Diary stamping plate L18 has 21 large style designs along with 7 smaller images down the centre of the plate. Now with some of these designs like the black and silver that I just showed you, I wasn't sure if they were meant to be layered together. However, some of the designs like the lilac one I showed you, which is on the bottom row, next to it is a negative design of it, but I also wondered if you could very carefully layer it. It's the same with the diamond image on the bottom row and the shells. I really need to have a good play around and see if they would. I've just swatched each image so that you can see what they are all like. This is why I do full swatch reviews. I personally want to see everything, but I didn't pick up on the layering until it was too late. There is some amazing pattern designs across L18. I do really like that the images are slightly larger. With me and my longer, wider nails, I personally prefer the larger designs. I can see me, however, using L18 a lot, as there isn't an image that I don't like or wouldn't use. As always, I've made a mani, and this is just to show you what can be achieved. Obviously there is a lot more to be created, and as I've said with many plate reviews that I've done, I like small and large designs across the plate. There is a few other plates that L18 would work with that I've recently reviewed, and they are L09, L016, which are two gorgeous large plates, and then two smaller plates, 076 and 096. I have another 4 large stamping plates and another 4 smaller ones from Nicole Diary, in which I picked up from AliExpress. They will be coming to my channel very soon. I've said before they are one of my favourite brands, and these swatches I absolutely love how they look. So for the mani I've used a dusky pink gel polish as my base colour, and I've stamped in a new berry purple stamping polish, and I'm absolutely loving this colour combo. Each nail is stamped differently. I've only used one design, but for every nail I've turned the stamp around. I love doing this with designs like the one I've used. I do sort of feel this design has given the nails a pink sort of camo look to them. You could add to this design with another colour stamping or some foil leaf, but I would 100% wear this on my nails. I really do like the effect. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I would be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on this Nicole Diary stamping plate L18. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye!